Hey, well,
Thanks,
I know,
man.
man.
Curtis, chill out.
I'm a simple man, man. I'm gonna clean it off and go on with life, man. I'm not gonna sit here and bitch about dog shit on my fucking boots. I just ain't gonna do that. I don't do that. The one thing I don't do. One thing I don't do, man. That's right. I work very hard today. I'm not gonna sit here and sit around and sit about dog shit on my boots, man. I will clean my boots off, and I'm gonna go on with like tomorrow when I wake up. Honestly, it's just the way I am. I might go get more beer. I just think I don't have time to worry about dog shit on my fucking boots. I don't have. Graham, what you? Fucker, fuck you. I just ain't got time to worry about this, man. I just don't. Honestly, babe, I don't got time to worry about it, man. I'll clean my boots off and I'm gonna. And that's the way it is. I had dog shit on my fucking boots. I can't stop that. I can't stop dog from pooping. I just can't stop dog from pooping.
Can't stop it. You can't stop it, though.
I can't. I cannot stop it, man. It's a simple little.
Come on, Graham, turn it off. Turn it off.
That's not nice.
Graham, quit it. You're just adding fuel to the flame. Really. Don't videotape in my bedroom. Seriously, Graham, it's getting on my nerves.
Damn it, I'll clean my damn food. Is there poop in here? They pooped in here the other night. Them motherfuckers pooped in here the other night and I cleaned this shit up. What the fuck, they can poop in here any damn time. And if I poop in here, what am I gonna do? I might take a shit over the balcony. And fuck no.
Turn it off. Stop, Graham. It's not funny.